Refrigerant service tank. A refrigerant container used when servicing a refrigerator or air conditioner. This is usually connected to the compound gauge when charging the refrigerant to the system. Refrigerant service tank an essential tool to servicing refrigerators, refrigeration, and air conditioning. There are two types of tank commonly used to store refrigerant. This tank contains the refrigerant that technicians use when working on the system. A refrigerant service tank is a pressurized container specially designed to hold refrigerant gases or liquids safely. It is used during the process of charging, which means adding refrigerants to the system, or recovering, which means removing refrigerant from the system for storage or disposal. This tank is typically connected to a compound gauge which help monitor the pressure and ensure the correct amount of refrigerant is added or removed. Uh, Proper handling of this tank is crucial for safety, environment protection, and efficient system performance. The tank on the left is often a pressuable service cylinder with bulbs on the top. The tank on the right is could be a disposal refrigerant cylinder. Show or zoom in the bulbs. These are used to control the flow of refrigerant. Motion mention. The importance of connecting is properly to gauge manifold set during service. Refrigerant recovery equipment used to recover. Refrigerant recovery equipment which is used to safely recover or unload refrigerant from a refrigerator system. Instead of releasing refrigerant into the atmosphere, which is harmful to environment, this equipment capture and store the refrigerant. Proper reuse, recycling, or disposal. This is required by law in many countries due to the harmful effects refrigerants can be on have ozone layer and climate. There are also the main parts of recovery machine. Number one is control panel with display located at the top. This is where you monitor the system for pressure, recovery status, and system functions. Recovery cylinder. This is the tank that store the recovered refrigerant. It's similar to a refrigerant service tank but used especially for storage during recovery. Common procedure unit. Inside the machine, it pulls refrigerant out of the system the and push it into recovery cylinder. Manifold gauge set hoses used to connect equipment to a refrigerator system and monitor pressure. Number 5, phase unit with cooling fan. This help keep keep the system from overheating during recovery operation. Using recovery equipment, it helps protect of environment, ensure compliance with regulation, and prevents refrigerant waste. It is important to use the correct type of tanks for recovery, labeled and rated for the type of refrigerant being handled.